So previously we reviewed Hailuo AI, which on that time was in its very early stage, but now Hailuo AI came with some of its very new features like complete website redesign, new image to video generation feature that looks really amazing, and the results that it is able to create, you guys will literally be amazed. So yeah, without further ado, let's jump right into this amazing tutorial of updated Hailuo AI video generation model. Alright guys, so here I am in the homepage of Hailuo AI, and right off the bat you guys can see the website, the interface have entirely changed. So now we have this very cool animation reimagined video creation. So previously you guys saw like this entire page before all the changes, it was in Chinese, right? And we specifically need to translate the whole page, but now everything looks so fine, so in order. And yeah, previously the whole platform, like the whole AI video generation tool was free, but now if you want to go ahead and get the paid version, so you can go ahead and do that for just $9.99 per month, which is very reasonable according to me, in which you will get bonus credits for daily login, 100 credits per month, fast track generation, and up to 5 tasks in queue. And according to me guys, I'm telling you right now, this AI video generation is best in class. And now with this latest feature, image to video generation, you get more and more possibilities, right? So yeah, starting off, if you go ahead and see some of the generation that the community have made. So take a look at this video, right? So we have a weird, scary hybrid animal plant scrolling in the dirt. And yeah, the video, like how cinematic this video is, looks absolutely perfect. Then we have this amazing scene. The camera initiates a deliberate descent from a vintage point high above, offering a panoramic. So this is an entire scene of looking like some kind of a bar. And yeah, take a look at this, right? It looks like it is a clip from some movie scene. It doesn't look like AI generated at all. So this is how this video generator was capable of, right? So now with the help of this image to video generation that will be covering specifically in this video, you'll get more and more options to basically generate anything you want, okay? Alright, so first of all, let's just go ahead and create a simple video from image to video generation. So I'm going to go ahead and take this image. So this was a portrait photograph of an older Hispanic woman, and this image was created with Midjourney. So I'm simply going to go ahead and drag this image to the prompt box. And now over here, either you can go ahead and type any prompt you like, but according to my testing, according to me, you simply go ahead and leave it to Hailuo AI. You know, let it do all the creativity for you. So I'm going to go ahead and create this. And also guys, a very amazing thing from Hailuo AI is that if you go ahead and sign up right now, you will get a 3-day free trial in which you will get unlimited generations for 3 days, right? So yeah, that is absolutely crazy, you guys. All right, so for that, I'm going to go ahead and create this video. Okay, so take a look at this video, you guys. Wow, this looks absolutely perfect. Like check it out how beautiful the background is and how consistent the face is, right? The face is moving very slightly, and you know, the woman is showing her expressions, but we don't see any deformation or any dislocation in the face. The background, the birds are moving in a very proper way. We have no deformation in the frames of the video, and yeah, it looks absolutely perfect, you guys, right? Alright, so similarly, I'm gonna go ahead and take this photo of a model who is posing. So I'm gonna simply drop this image over here in my prompt box. And again, I'm not gonna go ahead and type any prompt and let Hailuo AI do the magic for me, okay? Alright, wow, so take a look at this video, you guys, right? This looks absolutely perfect. Like, take a look at how the face is moving in the video, and it basically kept all the details very perfectly, right? We have the consistent character, we have consistent face throughout the video. Just we have a little bit of a deformation in the hands, you guys can notice. But other than that, the way jacket is moving, the wrinkles, everything looks top notch, right? For now, we don't get like the first frame and last frame feature that we see in a runway, but I'm supposing you will be able to see that in near future. But other than that, for now, the video looks really great, you guys, right? Alright, so similarly, I basically went ahead and took this image. Like, this is a 3D image of a sports car, and I simply typed in my prompt like car moving in hilly area, and take a look at this, right? Like the cinematic shot, the way car is moving and the camera is moving with that, and the background, it kept that very beautifully, right? Like the consistency is literally amazing. You guys can notice in this video, right? And yeah, this looks really good. Like, I'm literally speechless, you guys. Then the next one, I also tried that in anime, and through this amazing AI video generator, you can animate your animes as well very beautifully with excellent camera angles. You can go ahead and Obviously put that in your prompt box to get any creativity or any customization you want. All right, then the next possibility you can go ahead and do with Hailuo AI is you can have your subject do different actions. So first of all, I'm going to go ahead and create some of the models right over here. So for that, I went to Korea AI because obviously it supports the latest flux. So I typed in my simple prompt like full body photograph of a middle-aged American man in leather jacket and basically provided me all of these results, right? These look really, really good. So from here, I'm going to select this one and the last image and I'm going to download it right over here, okay? All right, so once both of these images are downloaded, so I'm going to come back to my Hailuo AI and paste my image right over here in the prompt box. And over here, I'm going to simply type in my prompt that man smiling and waving at someone. So right now, you guys can see the man is just standing still right over here, right? So it would be very interesting to see like how it's going to change his pose and whether we'll see deformation in the video or not. So let's just go ahead and generate this. All right, wow. So take a look at this video, right? So yeah, this was the initial face we got in the start of the video, and take a look at this, how beautifully it kept the face, like how consistent the features are, and we don't see any deformation in the background. In the hands are literally perfect in that because you guys can see it obviously created new hands. There were no hands initially in the video, and yeah, it basically came out with absolutely beautiful results, you guys can see. And the way man is smiling, like obviously you can go ahead and do lots of customization with your prompts if you put your image as a reference, and yeah, you can literally do anything. Like this video is just a beautiful example for that, right? All right, so for the next one, I'm gonna go ahead and take this video right over here. I'm gonna put it in my prompt box and type in my prompt that man wearing sunglasses with angry face, and let's generate this and see the output, okay? Alright, so finally it came out with this result. Like, take a look at this. Oh my god, wow, this is really, really amazing. I'm literally speechless, right? With just my little prompt, I input like man wears sunglasses with angry face. It basically kept everything so good. The consistent character is like really, really awesome. And like, take a look at this, right? Not only this man is crazy from the initial start, but is also saying something I think is he's swearing right now. But yeah, this video turned out to be really, really funny. And you know, this basically shows like how capable this Hailuo AI is, right? That is absolutely crazy. I'm literally gone speechless, you guys. All right, so another amazing use case that I'm going to go ahead and try with Hailuo AI is that I have, you guys can see, a multiple set of consistent character images that I created a few weeks back with DALL-E. So I'm going to go ahead and use all of these, like just put some background music in the background, and let's just see how it's going to animate all of these images. And if you go ahead and edit them together, so we'll see in the end like how it's going to look, right? So I'm going to go ahead and select the best one from here, just simply upload it in my Hailuo and animate it one by one. All right, so once all of my videos are ready, you guys can see, so this is one of the creations. So all of my clips are ready. So next, I'm going to go ahead and go to Filmora AI. Just simply export all of my clips right over here. Then we can go ahead and simply pick any background music. For that, I basically went to YouTube and simply type over here intense background music with no copyright. So from here, I selected this music. This one looks really, really good. And yeah, I'm going to go ahead and simply download this from here. Simply paste it right over here. And now with everything set up and a little bit of editing, this is how our video looks like. So yeah, there you have it, guys. This was the exploration of how you can go ahead and use image to video generation and how crazy the new update of Hailuo AI is. So yeah, I hope you like this video, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.